Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff, and today we'll have a look at this. There are three great things about the 2022 Outlander ES. So this is the base vehicle, entry level. It starts with this very popular trim level, by the way. A lot of people like it. There's basically three reasons for that, which we're gonna cover in this video. So now let's start with the first one. Number one reason why this one is such a great vehicle, and the first great thing about it, at least in Canada, they all come with super all-wheel control as a standard feature. Now, doesn't matter which trim level you go, the super all-wheel control, you have this badge right here, is standard. And basically the difference between the all-wheel control and super all-wheel control, in your regular all-wheel control, your power distribution is basically divided just to front and back. In super all-wheel control, it also goes side to side, right? So if your two wheels are on let's say on the gravel road, two wheels are on the paved road, and you floor the vehicle, so to speak, it'll perform much better because it'll know this side is slipping and the other side is going to help. So this is very important because it's a very, very advanced super all-wheel control system that also comes with this 6-way select shift for your all-wheel drive performance. So basically it doesn't matter in which one you are, eco, normal, you know, mud and whatnot. So it just shows you this selector right here: snow, gravel, tarmac, normal, eco, right? So the all-wheel control is going to perform a little bit different, and the vehicle is going to drive a little bit different. So you have the super all-wheel control with this 6-way selector. So that's number one. So one great thing is super all-wheel control. Number two is all of them have 7 seats. This is a huge selling point because the 7 seats is so important for so many people. Not a lot of space there on your, like, you know, day-to-day driving. If you really need 7 seats for, you know, 7 adults, this is not the right vehicle, but this is the right vehicle if you need them just in case, right? So this is cargo cover right here. We can see the 7 seats are right there. And by the way, the back of this can be reclined. It can be, you know, you can slide it back and forth to make adjustments for your leg room, right? So the seats are up, there we go. All of them have 7 seats. In the base ES, you don't have the power trunk, so you have to close it manually like this. Some people care about it, some people don't, but that's how the base ES comes. So that's the second great thing about it: all-wheel control, 7 seats. And the third one is overall why people love it, why it makes it so great. It's a great value for your money. If you look at overall vehicle, there's nothing, to be honest, that can quite beat this SUV in terms of overall value and what you get for the money you spent. So remember, this is just entry-level Outlander, and it comes with super all-wheel control, 7 seats, LED headlamps. So we're gonna go over a couple of things it comes with right now, right? So LED headlamps, has very nice looking 18-inch alloy wheels. They're sharp looking wheels, even though they're just, you know, entry-level wheels. Interior has a lot of cool things as well. So this nice thick steering wheel. On some cars, let's say Eclipse Cross and the RVR, you have the base steering wheel, and then when you move up the trim levels, you get you know, more advanced or leather steering wheel. This steering wheel is same steering wheel or base and fully loaded GT. So that is awesome that you can get something like this. Then you do have push to start button, same thing, right? It's a standard on all of them. And what else? So we have the digital driver display, so this thing right here, and we have the selector right here, so we can go through all the settings, and we can see also what kind of safety features you get as a standard equipment. So you do have the blind spot information warning system, right? So this thing right here, and it's on the mirror right there, right? This triangle, if there's somebody in your blind spot, this light comes on, that comes standard. Forward collision mitigation system. So basically, if you missed that the vehicle in front of you stopped, the system is going to apply emergency braking and emergency signals for you, for your alertness. And depending where you are, so we're here in Canada and British Columbia, if you have this feature, the insurance, ICBC insurance, will give you a break on insurance. So it's good for your insurance rates to have a system like that. Then you also have lane departure warning. right? If you drive and you're kind of drifting off the lane, the vehicle is gonna let you know, right? So it's also a very, very good safety feature. What else? So if we look here, we have all these settings, and we also have under driver assistance, right? So we have rear cross traffic alert. So this basically what it is, if you backing up and there's somebody like driving your car, or somebody's walking, running, or biking, right? So the vehicle is going to warn you. And then we have driver attention alert. That's pretty cool too. So a lot of good things. Rear auto braking as well, right? So where was that? Emergency brake, right? So front and rear. So basically you miss, you know, you're backing up, you miss that there's a car or a pole or shopping cart, whatever, the vehicle is going to brake for you. All these systems, they come standard on the all new Outlander. And you also get heated seats. That's pretty cool too. It's very hot today. You know, the Celsius 38 degrees outside, so we're not thinking about heated seats all that much, but in the winter time you'll definitely appreciate the fact that you have heated seats, right? So then you have cameras, you have you know, 11 airbags on this. And also what I do like about it a lot, it can be customized in many cool ways. I cover in my channel a lot of accessories. So there's this nice red stripe that you can put on. There's these carbon fiber covers that we can put. And then if we look at the outside, we have these nice side moldings. So this is body color matching, and this chrome lookalike line with Outlander hood emblems. That looks really sharp. I think it goes really well together with the vehicle. And then we have bumper protector plate. So this is a very nice option to have if you want to, you know, put your luggage in and out, right? So prevents the bumper from scratching up. The only thing I wish there would be power tailgate, right? The button and it closes. It is a pretty big and heavy tailgate, so some people might find it a bit challenging to close it. Another cool feature is capless fuel technology. You just stick the nozzle in and that's it. There's no more caps. Thank you, Mitsubishi, for adding something like this. And one of my all-time favorites is Outlander hood emblem that we put on as an accessory, right? So this one is satin. So there's three hood emblems that are most popular: satin, black, and chrome. Either one looks fantastic, but on this one, because we have lots of chrome going on, it's better to put chrome. So that's another bonus thing on these Outlanders. You can customize them so much and they look so nice. You can make it unique your way. It'll stand out from your neighbor's Outlander, even if you both buy the same trim levels and same colors. So there we go. We just covered 3 great things. What makes Outlander so great, the A-Base ES, right? So we have super all-wheel control as a standard. We have 7 seats as a standard. Great value for your money, and overall a long list of options that you get with this vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if you maybe have base Outlander. Leave a comment if you don't. Thank you so much, and see you in next videos.